All right, we got all the mods done, the handlebars, the jetting, smog, all that stuff's removed. So we're gonna go take this thing for a spin. I'm gonna take y'all up to some trails. We call them, the name of them is Weasel Hunt Trails. So we're gonna head up that way. So stick along for the ride. Hunt HV trails. We're gonna give these a try. And here we go. I don't know what they got going on, trail cleanup or what, but there was boatloads of people in here on foot, so we may run into a bunch of them here in just a minute. Part of the trail, so you kind of got to watch for other people flying through here. I'm going to try to get to the single track stuff as soon as I can. Let's see here. Let's try this direction. Too much one way. This is all new. Alright. I'm not making any of y'all sick. May put y'all on the handlebars here in a minute and let you get that point of view. It may really make you sick. The handlebars being jarred and shook left and right. I'm cruising in second. Luckily this thing's torquey, but it's geared high probably to the highway, and I kind of like that too. So way that way, one way this way. That's an exit. I don't really care about exiting right now. Seat is so nice being able to sit down on it compared to that FE350. You can make fun of these bikes all you want, but they are definitely more for comfort. Last time when I was over here, I was on the FE350 and my ass was already killing me when I got over just from the ride over here. Difference when you have something you're going to ride to the trails about being comfortable. One thing hauling on there and then riding on the highway for 30 minutes and then getting some trails is a different story. I love the lightweight side of the FE350 where I can kind of, you know, maneuver, throw it around and everything. But yeah, I don't really care too much for the seat and stuff on that one. Woo! Mud hole. Breakfast of champions on the XR650 out in the middle of nowhere. Somebody help. I think I went the wrong way. Alright, we got some snacks and a drink in us. Let's get back on the trail and finish this ride. Alrighty, let's carry on with this trail. Little backfire. Loaded up on some fuel. Tire about washed again on me. Definitely not meant for woods riding. Yeah, centered that one. Look into that Frisco sprocket everybody keeps talking about, or it's funny how this GoPro never shows the like elevation and like how steep stuff is. It would make it seem so much cooler if you could, but if you've ever watched stuff like this, you know that it don't. Do not enter. Okay, we will not enter that way. Woo! That was a hard rock on the tire. Hopefully it didn't bust the tube. Guess we'll find out soon enough, right? out on me non-stop. I can deal with the rear tire slipping and sliding, but the front tire starts sliding a lot. It definitely takes your courage away from you. Motorcycle. So like I'm moving pretty dang quick. Whoop. Nice. Oh, poison ivy. Just what I didn't want. Ugh. next time I come back. Go to the back trail. Go about halfway down the main section if you're familiar with it. Hang a right, kind of cut back to the right. It's still two-way. And then go all the way to the end, and it'll hook hard to the right to kind of dead end to the gate. Take that section. That is the best section. Front end washed again on me. Can't get over that. It's terrible. May have to change front tires on this thing. I plan on riding much more trails like this because that was no bueno the way this is felt back in here. Rear tire's been great though, I can say that. One hand on the bike and was like closing my visor on my helmet, and it hit that hump and it bucked me up in the air with one hand, no feet touching. And when I went back to grab, I grabbed the horn. That's too funny. Alright, this will pretty much conclude the trail over at Wheaton Hunt. I hope y'all enjoyed it. See y'all on the next trail adventure. I'll see if I can find some more that y'all might want to check out and everything. So once again, I appreciate it. Give me a like and subscribe, and we'll see y'all on the next video.